Good afternoon. This is Jim Foote, and this is my Capstone A project, my 3 products ideas for Washington State University Executive MBA program in the spring of 2018. So my first product idea is really to develop a personalized cancer treatment plan for individuals based on the biology of their tumor and the response to multi-drug combinations. And so the idea behind this product is really to combine science with artificial intelligence, technology, and by doing so, we believe that we can improve outcomes, provide treatment alternatives, and better predict toxicity on an individualized basis. So who will buy this? Well, sadly, there are over 500,000 patients a year that die from cancer. And that's going to be our primary target market. And why would they buy it? Well, because those patients have failed frontline therapy and most of the time second-line therapies and are left with few or no options to extend their life or to extend the quality of their life. And the reality is they want options. Oncologists also want combination therapies, but there's no formal mechanism in place to define safe, effective combination therapies. So how will we win against the competition? Well, there's really 3 main competitors or 2 main competitors. The one, believe it or not, are doctors and patients that are unwilling to try unconventional or non-conventional treatments. The second is there are a couple of formidable competitors in the market, Foundation One and Champions Oncology, but neither of them offer the full sequence of tests that our product does. Each will do DNA and RNA sequencing, but none will do the full specialized panel drug test and use artificial intelligence to predict the most effective drug combinations. So cancer treatment as a whole is a very large market. It's about a $90 billion business. And so if you take the 500,000 people that die from cancer every year, if we could just get 4% of those customers to try our treatment plan, that would be 18,000 customers, and this potentially is a $100 million business. Thank you. So my next product is really a cell phone application. And the cell phone application actually locks your cell phone screen when your phone is paired with your Bluetooth device in your car, only allowing voice activation interactions with your phone through the car's infotainment system. So with texting being outlawed in 46 states, the consumer who may buy my product, it may be actually mandated by the state. But most likely it would be concerned parents, responsible adults, or companies who operate a fleet of vehicles. They may find this as a valuable option to reduce their risks. So why would companies buy this? Well, a company like Microsoft may be interested in acquiring a technology like this as they try to gain deeper integration into the infotainment system. A car manufacturer may also be interested in this as it could give them a competitive advantage. But again, most likely parents or employers who manage fleets may buy this product because it helps them reduce their risk, and consumers may actually buy this product if insurers offer them a discount. So if you can imagine, if an insurance company would give you a $100 discount on your car insurance if you bought a product like this, you would be more apt to make that purchase. From a competition perspective, believe it or not, there's not a lot of competition. There's one competitor who makes a device that plugs into the OBD2 port that will actually disable the phones. But most of them are applications that you have to elect to disable the phone. So from a competitor perspective, there's not a lot of competition. I think the biggest barrier are really consumers being resistant to adopt a technology like this because they feel that it's invading their privacy or their personal rights. But with the size of the market, there are 327 million cell phones in America and 253 million cars. So if we could price this app at $5 and capture 16%, those early adopters, that's 52 million cars, that could be a $262 million business proposition for this product. Thank you. And for my final product, it is really a customer service agent assist product that increases customer satisfaction, improves agent productivity, and decreases agent handle time. So it improves margins, it integrates people, process, and technology and artificial intelligence into one customer support portal. So the target customer would be any company that offers a product or services and then supplies customer support for that product or service. So in a traditional customer support model, there's really only four options that exist. Pick up the phone and call, go online and chat, email a trouble ticket, or go online and open a trouble ticket. And each has their own technology, but none have integrated all four of those customer interactions together. And there's no real-time update or database lookup that exists today. So the idea behind this product is really to combine chat, email, voice, and the power of artificial intelligence and natural language processing to provide agent assist in solving problems real time, no matter what the channel that the customer interaction comes in on. From a competition perspective, there is real no competitor because nobody's ever actually taken all four and brought them together. And so the barriers would be customers who are resistant to change, or products that offer silos of those types of technologies. But with this product idea, this could potentially be a $1 billion business. Customer support software right now is about a $9.3 billion industry, and outsourced customer care is about an $84 billion industry. So if we could just capture 10% of that market, we could actually be a $1 billion company. Thank you.